In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and reuse custom guide layouts per slide or slide master in PowerPoint. Guides are the invisible scaffolding that help you keep text boxes, images, and shapes perfectly aligned. Once you set them up well, your slides look cleaner, your layouts stay consistent, and you design faster. First, let's turn guides on. Go to View, then choose Guides. By default, you'll see one vertical guide and one horizontal guide crossing in the middle of your slide. If you don't see them, right-click anywhere on the slide. Choose Grid and Guides, and make sure Display Drawing Guides on screen is checked. With that enabled, you're ready to build your custom layout. To add more guides, right-click on any existing guide and choose Add Vertical Guide or Add Horizontal Guide. You can repeat this as needed to create margins, columns, or rows for your layout. Drag each guide to where you want it. PowerPoint shows its exact position in inches or centimeters as you move it, which makes it easy to be precise. If you want perfect spacing, enter the exact position numerically. Right-click a guide, choose Position, and type in the value you want. This is great for creating equal margins or aligning content to consistent coordinates across multiple slides. A quick tip: pick simple values like whole numbers or halves, so your designs are easy to replicate later. Now, if you want these guides to apply across many slides, set them on the Slide Master. Go to View, then Slide Master. Select the specific layout where you want the guides, and add or adjust your guides there. Every slide that uses that layout will inherit the same guide structure automatically. This is ideal for maintaining consistent margins and alignment across a whole section, like title and content slides or a custom two-column layout. Sometimes, though, a slide needs to break the rules. You can adjust guides on an individual slide without touching the master. That way, you can create exceptions for a special cover, a complex chart, or any one-off design while keeping the rest of your deck consistent. To recap, enable guides, add and place them visually, fine-tune with exact positions, use the Slide Master for reusable layouts, and customize individual slides for exceptions. With a few thoughtful guides in place, you'll design faster and get that polished, professional finish on every slide.